It is always important that our documents are well structured, but what does that really mean? Using one specific structure technique can help you with almost every writing task you face. It's called parallel patterns and is based on how readers absorb and make sense of information. When readers read a document, they make sense of the information based on context or what happens before and what happens after a certain batch of information, as well as what they already know and assume about the topic. As a reader, imagine how good it would be to look for something in a document, navigate to where you anticipate it will be, and then actually find it exactly where you expect it to be. Parallel patterns help you achieve that for your readers. As soon as you have to write a message with 2 or more components, chances are you can use a parallel pattern. Let me show you a few examples. The first example is a section or the definition section of a parallel procedure. If you have a look at the before snapshot, the information is all there. It's just a case of identifying that there are 2 components: part-time and casual workers and full-time and salaried staff. So those are the 2 main bits of information. Within each of those bits of information, we can subdivide the content again. The one batch of content is the general definitions, and the other is company-specific content. So in the after snapshot, you'll notice that we've given nice descriptive headings to help highlight the parallel pattern, and the actual pattern is general definition, company-specific, general, specific. What the example shows is how to use parallel patterns to help with structuring content in a document. The next 3 examples show you how you can use parallel patterns in the content itself. Let's have a look at a presentation slide. You'll notice the pattern is what, how. The third item is missing the how, so it's incomplete. Incomplete patterns can cause confusion for your readers. The next example is a brief email message. This was written to a corporate trainer going to conduct training in 2 different locations. You'll notice the pattern for the first location is city, day, and time, followed by location, then participants, and finally contact person information. For the second location, the pattern is exactly the same. City, day, and time, followed by location, and then participants, and finally contact information. This is a complete parallel pattern. You wouldn't put the information in a different order. The important thing is once you've established the pattern, you follow that pattern as closely as you can. And the last example I have to show you is from an insurance company website. And you'll notice that there are 3 components in each case. The pattern that's being followed is question, answer, details. Question, answer, details. Having a clear and highlighted pattern or structure in your document gives your readers the ability to quickly scan over the document and find what they're looking for in the least amount of time possible. And that's really our objective, to save the reader time.